Tina, when you talk about screens, does that include TV screens or mostly computer tab phone screens? Asking for my 11-year-old. When I talk about screens, and I apologize, I'm bad with the terms sometimes. I'm talking about just the screen that is at less than an arm's length from you primarily. Like the computer screen is not awesome and is our primary distance. TV is fine. I think TV distance, if you're talking about couch to TV distance, is pretty much okay. I just ordered a giant TV so I wouldn't watch movies on my laptop as we in a different place here. TV distance is great. Computer distance is okay. Phone distance is no good. Distance is key, right? Like when I talk about screens or when I talk about close-up, it's always a distance question, right? Like this, where we have phones is terrible. Avoid as much as possible. The distance we're talking at now with the computer is sustainable for a workday. TV distance you can pull off for recreation.
Meow, 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 meow.